Bonjour, class. Let's start today off with some questions. Do you remember how to say the morning in French? It's a small quiz. The morning is le matin, you remember. Okay, how about the afternoon? Let's see if you remember this one. L'après-midi, l'après-midi. And the night? You should know. That is le soir, le soir. Okay, please review these and also each day's meals in French. Now, class, let's look at the French verb avoir, which means to have. The verb avoir. J'ai, which means I have. Tu as, which means you have. Il a or elle a, which is he or she has. Nous avons is we have. Vous avez is you have. Ils ont or elles ont is they have. Some examples for the use of the verb are. J'ai 9 ans. You've seen that one before. J'ai 9 ans. Il a 2 frères. This should also be familiar. Il a 2 frères, which means he has 2 brothers. Elles ont des cheveux courts. Elles ont des cheveux courts. We'll, in the future, look at more examples of such. The following are some expressions to describe the weather. Le temps fait beau. It's nice outside. Le temps fait beau. Le temps fait beau. Il fait mauvais temps. Il fait mauvais temps. The weather is not good. The weather is not good. Okay, thank you, class. That'll be all for today.